Hello everyone, Antoinette here. Welcome. In this video, I show you how I've accessorized my family room in white to add a taste of elegance and sophistication. And speaking of sophistication, I'd like to say thank you to the members of the Sophisticated Ladies Club for the invitation to participate in this open collab. I've linked their channels in my description and encourage you to visit their channels and the playlist to see how everyone else has decorated in white. Enjoy! Welcome back. Let's start this little tour off here with this corner where you may recall in my summer rose gold video, I had this tabletop really dressed up with a lot of rose gold and white. And what I did was I really pared down on the rose gold and I kept it more white and very light. So on the opposite corner of that table is this one here. And what I've done is place down some of my favorite sort of white and gray with gold pieces. You can see my glass box there that has a marbleized look, my pretty white and gray bee skep, just a simple candle on a candlestick, and that white vase, which I only usually take out at Christmas, but I decided to take it out for this video and add just that garden ball there. And then this really beautiful vase and this white and gray with gold specks, and I decided to keep it simple and not add any flowers. So as we move along to the left, you can see that I have put a white throw on my dark brown sofa and some white cushions. These white cushions match the ones that you may see in my living room in some of my videos. I do have 5 of those cushions, so it's nice to have so many. And then off here to this side on this cabinet, we have this display, which to me has a real bridal feel to it. I thought it would be nice to take out this Royal Dalton figurine that my husband and I got when we got engaged. It's a very special piece to us. And then I've put just these white pillar candles on these candlestick holders and this big beautiful white flower that I bought probably a couple of years ago at Pier 1 before they closed. And then that's all placed on this sort of taupe colored runner with that white border all around. And this is the view when we pan over. The whole wall, sort of all the pieces on the wall are accessorized with white. And then when we look at it head on, we see my coffee table, which I've decorated in white as well. And I started off by placing down this white small doll chair that I have. And I just seem to have a thing for small chairs. And well, small things in general. I just seem to really like them. So what I did was I put that down and I put flowers on it and this little green butterfly, because the green butterfly went nicely with the leaves in these flowers. That's just placed in a simple little white vase I have. And then this very beautiful marble box that I bought recently. It's very heavy. It's got that beautiful honeycomb pattern with the gold bee on it. And I've placed that tray on top of a white scarf. And then these gorgeous little white sparkly little votive holders that my cousin actually gifted to me very recently. I went to visit her after such a long time of being in lockdown, and she gave me these beautiful little candle holders. They were in the prettiest box, wrapped in Tiffany blue paper and ribbon, and I just loved the package, what was inside the package. I was really thrilled to get them. So thank you to my cousin Adele. And then we're going to move over here from the coffee table to the fireplace. I'm going to lighten up the screen here. There we go. And you can see that because I had a bit of green in the coffee table, I decided to put in touches of green on the fireplace as well. Here on the hearth, just some white long trumpet vases with some pussy willows and these white floral picks I recently bought at Dollarama. A green vase there, a couple of white picture frames, and in my family room you will always find pictures of my son. He is not this little boy anymore. He's now 21 years old, but his picture is just, or his pictures are everywhere in this room, and I quite enjoy them, and so they're very proudly placed on the fireplace mantle here. That painting over the fireplace mantle has a nice white background, and that looks nice with our white decor here in the family room. This is the other trumpet vase on the other side. And I'm quite happy with the way this turned out. It's clean and simple, and it's asymmetrical instead of symmetrical, which is very different for me, so I like to do things differently sometimes. Now, let's get a tour of the whole room.